I am Trevor Mullanix. I'm the Western Territory Manager for BluJet, Thurston Manufacturing. I'd like to take you guys through our row unit here. Our BluJet Max Pack row unit looks a little different from most of the strip-till row units out there. It's designed to be that way. It's not based on the parallel linkage system. It's designed on an independent suspension system that every aspect of the row unit interacts with the ground on its own. We feel that's the best way to get through the residue and through the strip-till conditions, and that's the way ours is designed to work. Obviously, the Max Pack is based on a shank strip-till system. We feel it's important because strip-till is based around accuracy and precision and control, and a shank is the only way to guarantee that you're getting the accurate placement of that fertilizer and the accurate depth of your seed bed. It is the best way to do that. It's the most accurate way to control that variable, and so we don't feel you get that, and not that it's impossible to do with a Coulter unit. We just feel this gives you a greater amount of control over those variables that helps you achieve the maximum yield out of your strip-till operation. You can only control so many variables. You can't control the moisture, you cannot control the heat, but you can control your soil tilth, you can control the depth of your seed bed, you can control your nutrient placement and your seed placement, and all those things are, like I said, designed around precision and accuracy. And like I said before, a shank is the only way to guarantee that you can control as many of the variables that are contained in a strip-till operation that you can, so that only a few of the variables are out of your control. We've seen a marked increase in the interest in strip-till. Guys making the switch to strip-till from either no-till or conventional farming. I've been on strip-tills probably 3 times as many this year as I had been in years prior. So we're very pleased to see that increase. It should be a good year for obviously everybody involved in the strip-till market. Anytime we get a chance to see strip-till guys come from around the country, to hear what they're saying, hear what they're doing, it makes us a stronger company when we can expand our reach into an area. We know where we're strong in certain areas, but when these farmers come in and say, well, with this modification you fit into this area, being a small flexible company, that's very easy for us to do. We actually had a machine that was dreamt up from a farmer at last year's conference, and we're putting out a new product this year at the Farm Progress Show in Illinois based on his need. The brand new is going to be a strip tracker. It's a 16-row or 24-row strip-till machine on 30s for the 16-row or 24-row 20, and with a 9-ton onboard Montag. And those are the sorts of things. That's the reason we come to these sorts of shows, to hear what the farmers are asking for, what the farmers need, what's going to best fit into their operations. And coming to these things pays dividends for us in having farmers come to see us.